Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been long. So in between I did record some videos, but there is this pending edit and I'm thinking that I should post it. And this was possible due to Harshita Didi. So I met her on Meets this day and she said that, oh, I watched your video and I didn't knew her for beginning, and since people are watching, and yeah, she gave me motivation. Yeah, I should get back. So yeah, I'm back. I'll try to be regular again. I'll try again. Maybe I'll proceed. Maybe I'll succeed this time, maintaining the consistency. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so this is another unboxing video. So I received my MLSA beta swags today and they are really cool. They're really pretty. I just opened and saw. I didn't did saman idhar udhar, but yeah, I did open and saw. Okay, so yeah, let's see. So there was this MLSA tag here, and then when we open it, the first thing is my certificate. It has my name on it and Beta MLSA certificate. This is available in e-copy also, but they sent this. So I was happy. And there is this bottle. It's of good quality. Microsoft. It's pretty. Then there is this box. Okay, this had one disc and a bottle. Okay, yeah. So it looked like this. And it had my certificate on the top. Okay, it's inverted. Yeah, so yeah, it's really cool and cute. Okay, now on the top of the box is my ID card. It's my name with Beta MLSA logo. And then when you open the box, there are plenty of things in there. The first thing is the Rubik's Cube, Microsoft, and Rubik's Cube. Okay, and there is this really amazing thing that is a stress release ball. It's cute and it has Microsoft. Okay, there is this one here that is the goose here. I did try it. I did open and saw everything. I was thinking then to record this video because I have received so many swags also which I didn't record. I'll show you if I have time in this video only. So there is this Microsoft socks. There is this ribbon. Okay, there is this bands, I guess. I can use it. I can make it multi-purpose, like as a keychain or as a band, whatever. And then there is this my ID card string. Yeah, I'll just wear it. And then there is this plenty of stickers. Is your Imagine Cup, Microsoft Learn, GitHub. These are really cool and cute. I love the GitHub stickers. Octocat. And Microsoft is your invent with purpose, and then Python, command line ID is your AI and mixed reality toolkit stickers, and the most amazing, the Microsoft t-shirt. It's my size. And then be a force for good. There's this logo on the back, and of course Microsoft on the sleeve. So yeah, that's all the goodies, swags I got. I received a swag from I'm Remarkable. I posted the picture on LinkedIn. So what all I receive, I'll just try to show a few of them so that you get an idea. And all the pending swags are done. So yeah, just a minute, I'll be back. Yep, so I received I'm Remarkable mug. Then there is this small sticky notes with I'm Remarkable, and it's kind of scare also. Professional Troublemaker book. This was for I'm Remarkable Week, September, and I'm Remarkable stickers. Yeah, this was that. And yeah, this book is by Livia J. Jones. I haven't read it yet. I have to. And then there was these. So I got this t-shirt from Jane Street. I also received an hat from HRT. Okay, this was Jane Street. It's also pretty good. So like fit is really good. I loved it. And one more thing Jane Street sent was the cards. So these are the Jane Street cards. This was as part of GHCI career fair. So I received those. So yeah, these are cards. They're also pretty good. Okay. I learned a trick or two also, but I won't show because I might mess up. So yeah, we'll leave it. These were pretty cute also. So yeah, that's all the swags I received. Socks I'm gonna wear now because it's too cold. Apart from that, all things done. And yeah, thank you, Microsoft. you got like I was really touched when I received the certificate. Offline certificates are so cool. Since pandemic, everything is going online and being offline is good. So yeah, I'll just try to show the fit, just trying out once. And yeah, that's all for the video. And I'll attach the screenshot of the I'm Remarkable swags also, so that you know what I received, because now it's all unpacked and everything is here and there, so I can't like bring everything back. So I'll just try to attach the screenshot. And yeah, that's all for the day. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I'll try to be updated and try to upload like more frequent videos now. You can give me suggestion on what kind of videos you wanna like see. That's all for the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye. So yeah, this is the Microsoft t-shirt. I hope it's visible. Yeah, so yeah, that's that one. And this one is from Jane Street. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and bye.